Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to delete a folder that won't delete. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, what you want to do if you can't delete a folder here, regardless of whatever it is or the reason behind, but mostly it's because of virus. So first thing to do is to go to the search bar and then type CMD, that is command prompt, and then click open. And then here, what you want to do is simply follow what I'm going to type. First, you have to simply type the following cd space slash d and then look for that folder that you wanted to delete or cannot be deleted that you wanted to delete. So if you see that folder, all you have to do is to right click, for example, this one here. I want to delete this one. Now go to properties. Go to properties. And then what you want to do is simply allocate this one location. Okay, copy this one. Okay, go back and then paste it right here and then click enter. Now, for the second method, what you're going to do is to simply type the following again. So you have to follow this dir space slash x and then enter and locate that file here. So yes, my file named is delete or can't delete. So let me look at here. Okay, so can't delete file is up here. Okay. And then we have to, or you have to remember this one, can't be, and then wave dash one. So I need to remember this one here. So yeah, all I have to do is to scroll down right here and then simply type can't d wave dash symbol and then one. But before that, you have to type this one first. RMDIR space slash Q space slash S and then the candy wave symbol and then one. So I forgot that it should be capitalized. So I need to do it again. Candy wave dash one symbol. And then please do notice that after I tap enter, this folder right here, can't delete, will be deleted. And three, two, one. Let me tap enter and you will see that it will be deleted. Okay, that's it. So if you have found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorials.